Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair tutorial. Never done one of these yet, but this is my go-to hairstyle if I'm wanting to look cute and feeling a little more put together than a messy bun or ponytail. It's super easy, it took me about 10 minutes. If you would like to see how I got this hairstyle today, then keep on watching. Okay, so I usually will do this hairstyle when I get to like day 5 hair and it starts to get kind of greasy. I did put some dry shampoo in earlier because it was looking a little bit too greasy. So the products I'm going to be using today are, I have the Garnier Fructis Clean and Fresh Ultra Strong Gel. This is a big tub of it. And I use the L'Oreal Paris Architect 24-Hour Shine Wax. And then you are going to need 2 hair ties, a comb of any kind, just a comb, and a boar bristle brush, and just a regular hairbrush. First thing I'm gonna do is just brush my hair out. I'm gonna use my viewfinder as my mirror today. Okay, so once it is all brushed out, you're going to use your comb. I already have my center part just because that's how I wear it all the time. I always like to do my buns in a center part. I just think that looks best on me, and I'm going to brush them and then tucking it behind my ear, making sure that it is nice and flat. And then I'm gonna take some of this ultra strong gel, and I have a lot in the cap always, so I just take about, I don't know if you can even see, a good scoop. Rub it in my hands, and I'm just going to place this. It's gonna be crazy. It dries clear, and it is clear, which is nice, so you won't have any of that white residue you can sometimes get with gels. So okay, I just took that off of behind my ears, but so you're just gonna get that all in your hair so it is slicked down. And then what you're gonna do is just go through with your comb again and brushing that, creating that nice line behind your ears there. So now for my favorite part is using the boar bristle brush. When I use it on an angle, like instead of brushing my hair flat like this, when I tilt it on an angle so it's just the side of the brush going down, it actually like pulls the hair, where this just kind of smooths. Go over the hair, tucking it behind the ear still, and just going over my whole head with this just to make sure that we have no little bumps. And then you are going to take your first ponytail. So once I get it in the shape and I'm holding it with my hand, I'm just going to go in with the boar bristle brush again, just to really get all that hair. And then I'll do one side, and then I will run my hand over it and then grab it with that hand, switching hands. So then this side, you're just going to brush it back, creating a tight ponytail. That is important that it is tight. And then you can always just check to make sure that these front pieces are where you want them. And then I wrap it around 3 times in a ponytail like so. And then I'm just going to tighten it. Be careful not to tighten it too hard, just because sometimes, you know, when you tighten your ponytail and some pieces like to stick up, yeah, we don't want that. So I'm going to move on to my next product, which is the L'Oreal Architect that Shine Wax. So I'm just taking about this much on my finger. I don't know if you can see that well, but rubbing it in between my hands. And the nice thing about these 2 products is they don't make your hands feel super sticky afterwards. Like that gel that I just used before, my hands aren't sticky at all. So I'm just gonna put this over top of where I have my flyaways the most, which are typically right where my part is, doing the front pieces. So I take a bit more of that Shine Wax. I'm going to press down the hairs that I have at the front here, because I have lots of stray hairs that don't know where they're going. So just putting them in their place. I don't know why I'm out of breath doing this. And then I'll just use my fingers to comb if any hairs come loose. So it should look something like that, and it looks very shiny. Now that we have our placement of the hair done, it is time to create the bun. So taking your second, I don't even know what these are called. I call them ponytails. Everyone calls them something different. So what we're gonna do, take your hair and just start twisting it. Okay, you're just gonna twist it, twist it, twist it. I have to do little sections at a time just because I have some layers so it unravels. So twisting it and then just creating this bun. I'm twisting as I'm going and just wrapping it around. Still twisting. Sometimes it takes me a few tries, but that is okay. And then I'm just going to put this hair tie on it twice. It should look something like this. And then if you want, you can go in with hairspray, but I am happy how this looks. Also, now that I had a mirror in front of me over there, I realized that my baby hairs in the back were sticking up. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that shine wax and then you can just press them up into the bun. Okay, so I just put on some hoop earrings and I think this looks really cute and I feel really put together whenever I have this on. So if I'm just running some errands, I will put my hair in this little bun and it makes me look just 10 times better, more put together instead of just like a messy bun. So please let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial and also let me know if you would like more hair tutorials. That is all for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!